All right, out here between Topsom and Brunswick. Gonna get a little bit of footage of this new bridge they're building right adjacent to the old one here, which will eventually be shut down and dismantled. I actually heard that at some point they're going to make the old bridge into sculptures. So, yeah, all kinds of goodies going on here. Yeah, wow. Hopefully you guys can see some of that construction going on. Here, I'll throw a nice view of the river at you too while we're here. Sea Dog Brewing Company. Yeah, they're not wasting any time.
In 600 feet, continue onto Main Street.
Sorry about that. I'm trying to find some place right now. Yeah, look at that.
Continue onto Main Street, then turn right onto Gilman Avenue.
Cool. Well, there you go. New bridges.
Merge onto US Route 1.
Alright, coming up to an old railroad bridge. You can get part of it here on camera.